The Kaizen mindset is more than just a business methodology. It is a profound philosophy rooted in the Japanese concept of continuous incremental improvement. The word Kaizen itself is a compound of two Japanese characters, Kai, meaning change, and Zen, meaning good or for the better. Thus, Kaizen translates literally as change for the better, embodying a belief that all aspects of life and work can be improved upon constantly. At its core, the Kaizen mindset rejects the status quo, challenging the notion that current practices are the best practices and cannot be bettered. It proposes that significant, transformative results are achieved not through massive, radical overhauls, but through the cumulative effect of many small, consistent, and often trivial improvements made over time. This focus on small steps makes the goal of improvement feel less daunting, fosters a culture of gradual but relentless progress, and makes change sustainable. Core tenets of the Kaizen mindset. To cultivate a true Kaizen mindset, one must adopt several fundamental principles that shift the way problems and opportunities are perceived. 1. Embrace continuous incremental change, improvement. The essence of Kaizen is that improvement is a never-ending journey. There is no perfect end state. Instead of waiting for a big project or a complete system failure to prompt action, the Kaizen mindset encourages individuals and organizations to seek out and implement small improvements daily. These incremental adjustments, whether in a production line, a business process, or a personal habit, compound over time to yield substantial, long-term benefits in efficiency, quality, and waste reduction, or MUDA. Process focus over results focus. A Kaizen mindset emphasizes the process over the final result. The belief is that consistently refining and improving the way work is done will naturally lead to better outcomes. This process-centric view helps to identify and eliminate the root causes of problems rather than just treating the symptoms. Tools like the PDCA cycle, identifying a problem, testing a solution, measuring the results, and standardizing the success, are central to this principle, providing a scientific and cyclical approach to problem solving. See problems as opportunities. A key psychological shift in Kaizen is the reinterpretation of problems and failures. Rather than viewing an issue as a roadblock or something to be ignored, the Kaizen mindset sees every problem as a valuable opportunity for improvement and learning. This proactive stance encourages a positive attitude and a solution-seeking approach. Techniques like the 5 whys, repeatedly asking why a problem occurred, help adherents drill down to the ultimate root cause, ensuring that improvements are structural and lasting. Go to the Gemba, the real place. Gemba is a Japanese term meaning the real place or the place where value is created. In business, this is the factory floor, the customer service desk, or the user interface. The Kaizen mindset insists on direct, first-hand observation and engagement at the Gemba to understand processes and problems. Leaders and employees are encouraged to go and see for themselves, ensuring that solutions are based on irrefutable facts and data from the source, not just on reports or assumptions from an office. Employee involvement and empowerment. Perhaps the most humanistic and powerful aspect of Kaizen is the mandate for total employee involvement. This is not a top-down mandate, it is a bottom-up philosophy where every single person, from the CEO to the newest assembly line worker, is empowered and expected to contribute ideas for improvement. The people closest to the work often possess the best insights into its inefficiencies. By creating an inclusive culture where suggestions are valued and mistakes are viewed as learning experiences, a company taps into the collective wisdom of its entire workforce, fostering greater engagement and ownership. Cultivating the Kaizen mindset. A Adopting this mindset requires a shift in corporate culture and personal habit, demanding an openness to change and a willingness to challenge conventional fixed ideas. It involves challenging the status quo. Never accept a current process simply because that's how we've always done it. Creativity over capital. Kaizen should primarily use the ingenuity and brain power of employees before spending large sums of money. Standardization. Once an improvement is successfully implemented and validated, it must be standardized into a new best practice to ensure the gains are sustained. The new standard then becomes the baseline for the next wave of continuous improvement. In essence, the Kaizen mindset transforms an organization or an individual's life into a perpetual beta test, a state of always being refined, always learning, and always getting better. It is a humble yet powerful recognition that perfection is an illusion, but progress is always possible.